Hey guys, so in this video, we'll show you how you can get users from another Bubble app to your Bubble app. So let's get this started. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to the app that you need to get users from, and you need to come into this data types and go to this privacy section here. So right now, as you can see, I have literally no privacy here. So that is because we are in a testing environment. So in production, do not ever do this because you're right now all of this data is publicly visible. I don't have any privacy right now applied here. So you need to change these privacy rules according to which data you need and how would you like that data to be accessed. You can learn more about those privacy settings in this Bubbles documentation. I will drop the link to this Bubbles documentation right in the description, and you can get it from there. Then you need to come into the settings, and in the API section you need to enable this data API. So once you enable it, you will again get the privacy warning. So please read the this protecting data section of the docs carefully. And then for now, for this use case, we'll just select users. So only user table would be accessible from the API that we will call. So now we are done with the other app, that with this app right now. Now all the changes that we need to do is we will do it here. So right now, if you go to the users and see the app data, you can see we have all kind of uh, different people here, and this app right now is getting the users from its own database. So we now have to change this. So let's go to this app and connect a new API here. So let's call this new API a user, and then we can have, let's call it get data from another Bubble app. So another thing that you need to do in this app is that you need to generate a new API access token, and you can name it anything. Right now I'll just name it by my name, and you need to get the API key from here. And you can have a shared header here. You can go into authentication. I hope I have typed it correctly. So beard is necessary. You need to add the beard here. Then what you need to do is you need to come back here and copy this URL for your data API and paste it here. Now this what if you call this API right now, it will not work. So it says not found. That's because you have not specified any table or any data type that you need to get your data from. So what we will do is we'll go to data and we'll see what data types we have right now. So we have these ones, but we are going with the user first. So we'll just come here, we'll add a slash and type user here, and we can hopefully get the data now. So here we go. You are getting all of your data from this app into this app. So this is my rough book, and this is another app, and you can just click save here. And then you need to go onto your front end, and then just change the repeating group where you are getting the data from. So we'll choose this response result and create expression, choose. So you need to get data from an external API, and API provider will be this one that we just made, and its response. And in the table body, the same thing. So we have first name and last name. What we will do is we have a space here. Let me just do it. So what you will do is you will add a space, then insert dynamic data again, then you can get your last name as well. Then once you come into here, okay, we are good for now. So let's refresh this. So now these users will not show up anymore, and all of the users that are in this app, like in here, this will start showing up here. So let's refresh the page and let's see what we have got. Awesome. So we are getting all the users that were in this app into our own app. And what you can change this time according to your format, because once you can find many converters in the plugin section, or you can build through JavaScript, or you can just contact us on our contact page on Chakor. And another thing that you can use the data API for is, so what we have done in this video is getting a record or records from a table, but you can make changes to our record as well, or create a new record in the DB via this data API, or just completely delete a record. So the whole grid system, you can do a whole grid with the data API. So this let me know if you need more videos on this, so and then we can come up with new tutorials on this one. So all right, I think this was all for this video now. Thank you so much, and let me know if this video got a little longer so I could make it more concise as well. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.